Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Solana coin. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new wallet. It's crucial to write down your recovery phrase and keep it in a safe, private place. This phrase is the only way to restore your wallet if you lose access, so protect it carefully. Next, you'll need to fund your Trust Wallet. You can do this by purchasing a compatible cryptocurrency, such as BNB or Ethereum, from an exchange. Once purchased, transfer these funds to your unique Trust Wallet address. Remember to double-check the address before sending, and ensure you have a little extra to cover any network transaction fees. Now, let's swap for Solana. Open the dApps or browser section in your Trust Wallet. Here, you'll access a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap or Uniswap, depending on your initial funding coin. Connect your wallet, select the cryptocurrency you wish to swap, and then choose Solana as the receiving coin. Confirm the transaction details carefully. Finally, confirm your Solana purchase. After the transaction processes, you should see your new Solana balance reflected in your Trust Wallet. Transaction times can vary, but it usually completes within a few minutes. Congratulations, you've successfully acquired Solana. Remember to always practice good security habits to protect your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.